This is OHSU, shaped by leaders, pioneers, and those brave enough to take that first step. We carry the torch and shine a light on what is possible. We are a collaboration of disciplines, listening to one another, learning from each other. The OHSU Clinical Informatics Fellowship Program is more than an opportunity to gain experience. It's your time to serve with a community of trailblazers and groundbreakers.
I learned about the field of informatics as I was finishing my training in internal medicine, and I thought, this is for me. It combines medicine, it combines computers and information. I too did a fellowship in informatics way back when, and as soon as I got into it and started doing the work, I realized that this was my calling in life, this combination of medicine and information. Our clinical informatics fellowship trains physicians in this new subspecialty called clinical informatics. For example, I trained originally in medicine and internal medicine, but physicians who are pathologists, family physicians, radiologists, surgeons, etc., can all then get this subspecialty in clinical informatics.
I want to make sure that the expansion of telemedicine with clinics and with hospitals can reach a broad community. I'm also interested in education for providers. I want to make sure that their experience is best for them and for patients. Someone who would thrive in this program is someone who is project motivated, self-motivated in the sense that they, when they take on a project, they're going to make it happen.
I discovered that what I really wanted to do was to make healthcare safer. And the way to make healthcare safer was to try and work on the technology to make it more, not only more efficient and more conducive to use, but also to prevent the errors that were occurring because of technology. Being associated with a wide variety of clinical informaticians and informaticians in general in one of the largest informatics departments in the nation is a unique experience. When we set up the program, we had to make a very basic fundamental choice. We could create a program that would be one thing for anyone who came into it, or we could create a program that would try to adapt itself to the needs of the folks who enrolled in the program. What we decided was that the clinical informatics program at OHSU needed to be adaptable. So the question is not what, to paraphrase a quote, what the clinical informatics fellow can do for the program. The question is, what can the program do for the clinical informatics fellow?
Faculty at OHSU are known for their commitment and kind of investment into the trainees. You feel their energy. I mean, you feel Vishnu's passion for wanting to make the informatics at OHSU better for patients, better for the community, and you feel his energy is infectious. He's really, he nerds out, and he'll readily admit that he nerds out on informatics.
As someone who is involved in technology, as a geek, as a consumer who likes to buy the newest type of technology that's available out there, is that I used to think that technology was the salvation of healthcare. And it has made the delivery of healthcare better in many ways, but it has also led to new issues, new types of errors as a consequence of that technology. We call this iatrogenesis, where the technology itself is responsible for patient harm. Healthcare is about people. It's about patients, it's about physicians, it's about all the other clinicians who come together in teams to take care of people who are sick. And to me, technology is a tool that should help these clinicians do a better job.
The most important factor in success is really wanting to contribute to anything that's health related. OHSU is a very collaborative community. I think that one of the strengths of our institution is that there is a lot of common mission and mutual respect for each other, whether you're a clinician or a researcher or an educator or someone who's working in informatics who may be part of any of those groups.
At some point, it's about the why you do what you do, as much as the how. We do it because we are bold. We do it because someone needs to make the difference, and we know we can make the difference because we already have. We welcome the curious, inspired, and those willing to be bold. This is OHSU.